Hello dear viewers, today we're going to wander in the dazzling glow of the technology world and introduce you to the top 5 televisions of 2024. We're thrilled to provide you with an exciting journey. Television technology is advancing day by day, and these 5 televisions are some of the brightest stars of this evolution. With stunning picture quality, smart features, and unique experiences, you'll be eager to see these televisions. By watching this video, you'll explore the latest technology, elevate your home entertainment experience, and discover which television suits you best. If you're ready, let's dive in and explore the top 5 televisions of 2024. Sony A95L QD-OLED TV stunning visuals. Thanks to the intelligent and powerful cognitive processor XR, you'll experience a picture that reflects the real world with wide dynamic contrast, detailed blacks, natural colors, and high pixel brightness. Pure black and best color. Experience the widest color palette with QD-OLED and XR Triluminos Max. Discover colors matched equally by pure OLED black and high brightness. Superior Smart TV. Access all your favorite streaming apps in one place with Google TV, and use your voice to search and ask questions with Google Assistant. Easily share with Apple AirPlay support. Cinematic enjoyment with Bravia Core. Enjoy high-quality 4K UHD movies with high bit rates using the Bravia Core app. Get 10 credits to redeem for the latest release movies and a 24-month subscription for hundreds of classic films. All your game settings in one place. The game menu brings together all your gaming picture settings and exclusive assist features in a single, easy-to-manage interface. Number 2. LG G3 OLED Evo. Imagine having a TV that's not just smart, but intuitive too. With the LG OLED Evo G series, powered by the exclusive A9 AI processor Gen 6, you get breathtaking picture quality and performance that's tailored for the ultimate viewing pleasure. Whether you're watching in a brightly lit room or a cozy corner, the Brightness Booster Max ensures you'll see every detail with up to 70% brighter images. One of my favorite features? The sleek one-wall design and included wall bracket. It's like having a piece of art on your wall, seamlessly blending into your space. And when you're not watching, you can showcase your favorite paintings, photos, and memories, making the LG OLED Evo G3 a part of your home decor. But wait, there's more. Thanks to WebOS 23 and LG channels, finding your favorite content has never been easier. From fitness to sports to entertainment, everything is just a click away. And with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, it's like bringing the magic of the big screen right into your living room. Plus, with LG's Filmmaker mode, you can experience movies just as the director intended. It's like being in the heart of the action. Number 3. Samsung S95C OLED. Explore Samsung OLED technology, where brilliance meets innovation. With QD technology and 8.3 million self-illuminating pixels, Samsung OLED delivers stunning detail and brightness for an immersive viewing experience. The sleek Infinity One design and Slim One Connect ensure a clutter-free setup, blending seamlessly into any space. Quantum HDR OLED Plus optimizes contrast, while the Neural Quantum processor upscales content to lifelike 4K resolution. Number 4. Introducing the LG OLED Evo M3, where performance meets innovation. Powered by the exclusive A9 AI processor Gen 6, optimized for LG OLED, the LG OLED Evo M3 delivers enhanced picture quality and performance. Brightness Booster Max ensures vivid visuals, revealing vibrant colors and strong contrast even in well-lit spaces. The Zero Connect box simplifies TV setup, eliminating cable clutter and enabling flexible TV positioning. Stream more, search less with WebOS 23. Quick cards organize apps on the Magic Remote for easy browsing, with access to 300+ free channels on LG channels. Enjoy 4K 120Hz wireless connectivity capable of real-time video and audio transmission, eliminating the need for cables. Experience the magic of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, along with LG's Filmmaker mode for an authentic cinematic experience. Number 5. Introducing the TCL QM8 4K Ultra HD TV, where every detail comes to life. Experience incredible detail with 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering 4 times the resolution of 1080p Full HD TVs. Enjoy over 1 billion colors with QLED quantum dot technology and ultra-wide color gamut, creating richer and more lifelike images. With up to 2,300 local dimming zones and precise zone control, the TCL AIPQ engine ensures stunning picture quality with deep blacks, bright whites, and higher color volume. Experience ultra-bright images with up to 2,000 nits peak brightness and full-array ultra-local dimming for ultra contrast. Enjoy smooth motion with a 120 Hz panel refresh rate and motion rate 480 with MEMC frame insertion. Game Accelerator 240 ensures blistering fast 240 Hz VRR for responsive gameplay without lag. HDR Ultra, including Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG, delivers enhanced contrast and accurate colors. The TCL AIPQ engine with deep learning AI optimizes color, contrast, and clarity for an unrivaled 4K HDR experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos.